So it's been brought to my attention that I'm the only person on earth that plays Jack and Diane in open G. So this is your open G lesson. Okay, so there's 3 parts that we're going to learn today. The first part, they're all in open G. Open G, for those who don't know, is Rolling Stones tuning. Okay, it's going to be D, G, D, G, B, and D. Okay, so then... Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to start with the intro riff, which to me, this all sounds like it's an open G. I always thought it was an open G. I always played it in open G and didn't think it was weird. And then now the internet tells me that it's not open G. All right, so anyway, I digress. Okay, here's the intro. So we're going to start with... Now that part, what we can do, I can use 2 fingers there, like that, or I can simplify. I think I like the pinky there. Now, that is the intro. Okay, so that is part 1. That is the intro. Part 2, where you little did it, that Jack and Diane. This is... These look like 6 intervals. 8th and 9th frets, 7th frets, and 5th fret. Okay, chords are, we don't think, whenever I play an open G or any open tuning, I don't think of chord shapes like I would in standard tuning. Okay, even though that's a G chord, I'm not thinking about that. I'm thinking about like where my fingers go. Now this is the 2nd and 4th strings that we're going to be using on almost this whole song. Okay, so that is the verse riff. Okay, now the last riff we're going to learn is going to be the thing that comes after that, which is going to be the thing that I introed with. Which this is right out of Led Zeppelin 3. That's something you can't do in standard tuning. That is a tutorial for Jack and Diane in Open G.